how are you?
I'm doing well, Nissan. How about you?
Oh, I'm tired.
I hear you. It's been a long day. Is there anything I can do to help?
Can you help me?
Of course, Nissan. What do you need help with?
Oh, what can you do for me right now?
Right now, I can help you look up information, navigate websites, assist with organizing tasks, or just chat if you'd like. Is there anything specific you'd like assistance with?
And I see you have so many tools, and you can list some function of this.
I have a variety of tools available, like navigating websites, filling forms, taking screenshots, and even handling dialogues. Is there anything in particular you'd like to use or know more about?
Yeah, you can search the hottest song in Vietnam on YouTube right now.
I can look up the hottest song in Vietnam on YouTube for you. Let me check that out. I found the results for the hottest song in Vietnam on YouTube. Would you like me to play the top video for you?
Yes, you can. Uh, you can click the second video. Can you click the second video? Yes, and you can scroll down.
It seems I can't play or output the audio from the YouTube video. However, you can click the link to watch and listen to the song directly on YouTube. Would you like the link to the video?
Yeah. Oh no, I don't like it. I want to you close this browser. Yeah, thank you. Oh, recently, I want to buy a laptop. Can you search a laptop around 20 million?
Sure, Nissan. I'll look up laptops around 20 million Nong DND for you. Let's find some options.
Yeah, give me information, please. What it is?
I've navigated to Lazada's website. Would you like me to search for laptops around $20 million here?
Can you search for me? Go ahead. Go ahead. Go, please. Yes. Thank you.